Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. Zora just under 43 cent now. Had a deep pullback, man. 0.0424 cent for Zora. 189 million in circulating market cap, 424 million in FDV. Zora still, bullish in my opinion. I showed you guys in the previous video how the users on Zora just absolutely exploded with the base app going live. I do not care what the price action for Zora does. I think you accumulate. Look. My opinion is you accumulate 100,000 Zora tokens and you hold it through the pain and the hardship because it will change your life in the future. I'm so bullish on Zora. I'm so bullish on what they've created with the creator coins and the base app and how it's integrated into it, how it's the DeFi infrastructure layer for it. I think it's gonna be a massive gem, man. I think so. Even if we do go into a bear market, this is one of the altcoins I would buy at the lows. If we go into a bear market, Zora comes back down to 1 cent from here, I'm just gonna try my best to buy 1 million Zora tokens because I know in the future it's gonna go to 10 billion to 100 billion market cap in the future. I've never seen utility like this and done so well. Like the utility is done so well with the main creator coin, and then every post is under the creator coin, so it's like a positive feedback loop for the entire Zora ecosystem for every creator that activates their creator coin. Now the only issue is that people in the space, especially crypto Twitter, doesn't want to speculate too much on. They don't want to speculate too much on the creator coins themselves. But I think, that's going to change. When has crypto Twitter, when has the majority of crypto Twitter ever been like, accepting something new? They always hated at first. Everyone hated Solana, and then all of a sudden Solana started to explode. Meme coins on Solana started to explode, and everyone that hated Solana is all of a sudden loving Solana now. Solana is the best thing ever. Completely just infatuated with Solana now, right? And when it was at the lows, everyone was like, Solana's dead, it's never coming back, But the people that went against the herd and was like, you know what? I don't care what anyone else says. I don't care how the majority of people say Solana is a dead coin, The people that, bet on Solana and its ecosystem and its ecosystem, and everyone else hated it, were the beneficiaries, were the people that made millions, were the people that, made 7 to 8 figures on chain. 7 to 8 figures investing in Sol, 6 to 7 figures investing in Sol and holding it, right? Those are the people that did it, the people that went against the herd, that didn't follow. They were leaders, right? Because it was cool to hate on Solana. I did as well too, right? And the whole bull run, this past bull run was just basically a Solana bull run. If you didn't trade Solana on chain this bull run, you got wrecked. You didn't make any, you wasn't able to get any gains because majority of altcoins died. Majority of altcoins never started to move back up again. The majority, right? It was just basically a Solana on-chain bull run, right? And maybe a little bit of SWI too. But I'm feeling the same thing here with Zora. It's going to be a creator coin boom. It's going to be a creator ecosystem boom, even if the herd hates this type of idea, right? Everyone hates this type of idea. I'm going against the grain with this one, and I'm bullish on Zora going to 10 to 100 bill market cap. So 100k Zora, $4,238 right now. 10 billion market cap gets you 100k. 50 billion market cap gets you 500k, right? 100 bill market cap makes you $1 million, right? I'm gonna go against the grain. I'm gonna, like I said, go against the herd. I don't care what anyone says. I like what is being done here. I see people earning when they're posting, and I love it, man. I'm not famous enough to earn and post, but I see, my creator coin get a little bid here and there. And I'm like, yo, this is so cool. Why are people hating on this? This is so cool, right? So personally, in my opinion, like I said, 100k Zora is all you need because I know it's rough out there for a lot of people. Even if you can't afford that, you just get half, okay? Half of that. It's very cheap right now. 50,000 Zora is $2,118, right? 50,000 Zora, even half of that, man. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a massive gem, in my opinion. Super bullish on Zora. Let's check the Twitter, and see if we have any updates, right? 280K followers. Trade the attention markets. They just had a Zora TV update. Nice to see. Attention is all you need. All right. Look at this. Live stream archives are now available. Download your VODs to clip, post, and share. I like how they're showing this right here. These are the people that live stream with Kai Cenat as well, right? So maybe someone in the group is cool with them and streams on Zora. I didn't know that. Okay, but this is what I'm saying. It's so cool, right? So you basically, it's like Twitch, where you live stream, and then you after your stream is ended, it creates a video, right? A log of the video for people to go back and rewatch, right? And then you could clip, post, and share it. So they're making updates, and like I said, I'm bullish on this use case, man. Yeah, I'm bullish on this use case. I know, like, okay, token for every post. How is that cooler? It's gonna be panned out. It's gonna be, ironed out until it becomes amazing. This is crypto, right? These types, like I said, projects don't start off amazing, right? They don't. They build and work their way up, and then they change and do different things, and then they become, multi-billion-dollar companies, etc., right? We see that in the stock market all the time. Why can't it start happening in the crypto market? It happens. It does happen. Look at Solana. What Solana did, right? Look at what Solana did. Sweet kind of had the time there, this bull run. So it does happen, right? So in my opinion, Zora is a massive gem that's still undervalued, right? And again, any price under 5 cents is a good price for Zora. I'm not sure how low it's gonna dip. Okay, I don't know. I do not know. But even if, like, for example, just DCA. Be patient with the DCA, because you never know how fast things could change. So, and obviously, never invest more than you're willing to lose, right? Because, for example, if you just DCA in some now, maybe get 10 to 20,000 tokens. Who's to say it doesn't come down lower? Then you're able to buy, another 30,000 tokens. Just take your time with it, man. This year has been very difficult for traders, for the market participants in general. But yeah, I'm still very, very bullish on Zora, and I love where it's heading. As always, none of this is financial advice. Like, subscribe, comment, and thank y'all for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.